Good morning, welcome to your Friday, July 6th daily operation weather briefing. Currently across the area, we do have a surface trough still lingering over the central portions of Virginia, and we are seeing a cold front that is currently draped over northwestern Pennsylvania, that is continuing to slowly drop southeastward and will eventually be moving through our area later this evening. Ahead of that front, however, we will see some showers and thunderstorms begin to generate mainly after the noontime hour, and then things really starting to ramp up closer to 4 p.m. this afternoon, where we'll see a likely scenario of rain and thunderstorms with possibility of having some heavy rain as well move through the area later this afternoon into the evening. Currently, we do have a plethora of cloud cover off to our northwest that is continuing to slowly sag southeastward. We'll see this cloud cover gradually increase throughout the morning and especially this afternoon. You also are seeing some showers and thunderstorm activity off to our northwest, mainly over portions of West Virginia and northwestern Virginia that will continually progress eastward today and eventually begin to move through our area. Looks like mainly rain chances will start to ramp up after 2 p.m. this afternoon. So currently right now we have a few at 1,500, few at 5,000, scattered at 25,000, southwesterly wind at 7 knots with a temperature of 84 degrees. Over the next 24 hours will be green for the next 4 hours as temperatures in the mid-80s, topping out around 87 degrees by the noontime hour. Winds picking up out of the southwest, 9 to 14 knots, gusting to 17. That'll be the predominant wind as we head into this afternoon. Our high temperature today is expected to be around 88 degrees. We'll be flirting again with the heat index around 100 degrees, but should stay below that thanks to the increasing cloud cover later this morning into the early afternoon. As you can see, rain chances will begin to ramp up after 2 p.m., expecting fairly decent chances with about a 25% chance of a thunderstorm after 2 p.m. Then those thunderstorm chances really ramp up to 70% after 4 p.m. this afternoon, with a likely scenario of thunderstorms and rain as well. We'll also have a chance that we could see some heavy rainfall move through the area as well, reducing visibilities to about a half statute mile visibility, potentially, especially with some of these thunderstorms, as our precipitable water values are up above 2 inches, 2 inches across the area today. Models have really backed off, however, on the rain totals. Yesterday they were showing 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Right now they're pretty good consensus of about a half to 3/4 of an inch of rainfall today, as the dynamics with the system are fairly weak and it's showing more of a scattered nature with these heavy showers and thunderstorms as opposed to yesterday when we were seeing more widespread activity across the local area. But back to the forecast as we get later into this afternoon and evening, those rain chances and thunderstorm chances will continue to about 9 p.m. this evening. We'll see that front begin to finally push south of our area. It does look like it'll stall enough that we could see a chance that we'll see some lingering showers, maybe even a slight chance of a thunderstorm. It's more likely that we'll have lightning within the 25, but not necessarily the 10 after 9 p.m. We'll certainly have to keep an eye on that. And then pretty much rain and any convective activity will pretty much be out of the area by 2 a.m. tomorrow morning. Clouds will begin to decrease. Will remain rather thick in the upper levels around 25,000 feet. But those clouds will begin to scour out, especially as we get closer to the dawn hours Saturday morning. Winds, however, will begin to pick up with high pressure building back into the region, and that front just to our south. Expecting northeasterly winds tomorrow morning, 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 22 knots. And then by about 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, we should start to see winds picking up closer to 25 knots out of the northeast by tomorrow morning. As we look at our weekend, however, it looks like it's shaping up to be a fairly pleasant day. Saturday is partly cloudy and breezy and cooler. I should see a high temperature of 79 degrees. Left that out. Apologize for that. But we do have a likely scenario that we are going to see wind advisory criteria being met on our day on Saturday. Then high pressure remains over the area. That front sags farther south, so the pressure gradient will relax for Saturday night, mostly clear and cooler with a low of 65 degrees. And then on Sunday, high pressure still remaining overhead. Lower dew points will lead to a gorgeous day for us on Sunday, sunny and pleasant with a high of 80 degrees. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back again with you at 10 a.m. for the extended outlook. Have a great day.